Hey guys, so I know you can't really see it, but I will take a picture. I obviously have some pretty substantial roots happening right now. So I used Rockabilly Blue Manic Panic, and I knew that there was a chance I'd end up with some greenish hints because I have yellow hair, color theory. If your hair, you know, not all of it, but the pieces that were more yellow certainly came out with a more of a greenish tinge, which I don't love. So I think I want to add some Arctic Fox Purple Rain. So that is what our plan is today / now. I will insert a before picture that doesn't make me look insane. Well, I mean, I can't really speak that much to that, but you know what I mean. But yeah, so you can see, like, so some of the pieces are like this super awesome, vibrant blue, and then, again, the pieces that were not platinum, that had more of a yellow tinge, and also those pieces were more damaged. It was harder to lighten them in the first place. They didn't take as well to the color. So I know that you guys know that whenever you're coloring your hair, if you have platinum, you're gonna get exactly what you want. Whatever the color is, that's what you're going to get. But when your hair isn't platinum, you're mixing whatever color you have with this. And, you know, it's not always going to come out exactly how you want. Feel like you're here with me. And if you were here, you would smell the scrape. Oh, so this is super dark, so I don't mind watering it down, so to speak, with some like white conditioner. So... okay, so let me grab some. And oddly enough, before I was planning on doing this, I thought I would wash my hair a couple times with Head and Shoulders because that tends to, you know, remove color from hair, but I couldn't find it. Don't you know, I went looking for this conditioner in what, that, you know, 10 seconds, and I found the Head and Shoulders. So much for that plan. Good job, Jen. Anyways, okay, so mixing these, which is, you know, slightly lightening the purple. Not much, but it's just going to give me more to work with. I just took a peek to make sure I was recording the other day. I did a pregnancy update video and was not recording. Yeah, guys, you heard that correctly. My infinite wisdom. I know, it's so hard to imagine, since I'm just so full of wisdom and logic that I would manage that. So again, I am going up to my roots, but knowing full well that my dark brown roots are not going to get colored at all. So it actually doesn't matter that I'm getting this on them. It's not going to do anything. This is actually a really beautiful purple. I don't mean like actually, it really is a beautiful purple. Okay, so I actually have a little bit extra, which is kind of cool. So I've just gone through and just super saturated it, just to make sure that I've got, you know, every piece completely covered, and do a little cleanup. And then I will let this go, and I will be back in a bit. So here it is. It is the next day, and this is the color. It is so gorgeous. It's so vivid. It came out just really, really well. I feel like I know it's a dark color, and I was a bit hesitant about that, like after I had it in and I thought about it, and I was like, this is really dark. Like, was I sure I wanted to go this dark? But it's so gorgeous. It just looks so nice and so like rich and vibrant. And my hair feels good. I left it in for an hour. And yeah, it just looks and feels really nice. So I will keep you guys up to date as far as how it fades and what it looks like, you know, throughout that process. I do want to let this fade, so to speak, because I am going to get my roots lightened in like 2 weeks. So I anticipate that it will fade enough for me to get my roots lightened in 2 weeks. We're gonna find out. We'll see. But I'll let you guys know how it washes out and such. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the coverage, the color. My hair feels good. Like it doesn't feel very damaged or anything. And again, I left it in for an hour. And it did a great job of covering up the previous color as well. Like, I just think it looks really nice. So thank you guys so much.